Good morning, no more talkers. Hi, this is Uncle Artie on a very, very important day. This is the first day of the Donald Trump trial for fraud and conspiracy and the federal hush money funds. I listened to Washington Journal this morning for a couple of hours, and there were an awful lot of people who were angry that Mr. Trump is having to stand trial for the crime of tax fraud and election interference with the money that he paid to the lady Stormy Daniels, $130,000, for which Michael Cohen has already gone to prison for 3 years, and we're looking at a trial of the century, basically. But there's only one issue: is what Mr. Trump did a crime, a felony? And the answer is, unfortunately, yes, for him. And they have the checks, they have the documentation, but what they really have is Donald Trump himself recorded and preserved forever, telling Michael Cohen that once they had the money together to pay Stormy Daniels, try not to pay her that money until after the election, because after the election, it wouldn't make any difference what people thought, whether she talked about the affair or talked about the hush money. It didn't matter after the election. But unfortunately for him, that evidence is on tape. And that is going to be the one piece of evidence, which I'm not a lawyer, but I would tell you from my observations, that are going to convict this gentleman of his crime. There are a lot of people demonstrating in New York, and many of them say no one is above the law. So, on this very, very important day in our judicial system in the United States of America, no one is above the law. Not me, not you, not Donald Trump. And for many, many years, this gentleman has been escaping his responsibilities by protesting and getting postponements and any kind of legal uh, gyrations that he can think up to not face the reality of his performance. He has lost some cases in court and walked out of court saying that he won and it was a great day, and pretty much staying somewhat separate from his losses. Unfortunately for Mr. Trump, I don't believe that this is going to be one of those cases. It's going to be, for him, a very, very bad experience. I want to just let that out this morning, and tell you that I'm going to continue to watch this very, very closely, and to give you all the benefits of uh, my views and my opinions, and and hope that you have a very, very nice day. Thanks for listening this morning. It's Monday, April the 15th.